Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get Skeleton King Clash Royale. So without any further ado, let's get started. Reach King level 14. First things first, you need to hit King level 14. That's when champions like Skeleton King becomes available in the game. You can check a King level by tapping on the crown icon from the top left corner. You can increase your king level by upgrading your cards, donating cards to your clanmates, and many more. Get to Arena 16. Next, climb your way up to Executioner Kitchen, which is Arena 16. That means getting 5000 trophies. To check which arena you are on, tap on the icon at the center of your screen. Here, you can see which arena you are currently on. Unlock from chest. Once you're at King level 14 and Arena 16, you can unlock Skeleton King from chests like Champion Chest, Legendary King's Chest, Fortune Chest, or Special Event rewards. Just keep opening chests and playing events. And that's how you can get Skeleton King in Clash Royale.